A few years ago, I wrote an article for Mises Capital in Bitcoin Magazine titled "Why Does Bitcoin's Price Make Random, Sudden Downward Moves?" Fitting for today, as Bitcoin fell from 45.5 thousand to 40.6 thousand, an 11% drop overnight. Unlike equities, stocks, which tend to be traded aggressively on earnings days, days when companies' performance and future guidance fundamentally change, Bitcoin tends to be traded aggressively on seemingly random days. This strange phenomenon tends to confuse traditional commentators and journalists as they struggle to find any piece of news that could have affected the price so drastically. Eventually, someone finds some possible explanation, and it immediately gets circulated as a result of confirmation bias. An example this time may be someone found some random analyst or reporter hinting the ETF may be denied. Although a small number of individuals may be placing buy or sell orders based off one-off news, they likely aren't the sole driver of the sudden Bitcoin price crashes that we often see. In reality, many people retweeting or spreading the news that Bitcoin's price crashed because of X, Y, or Z are simply being fooled by randomness. Although X may be one of many catalysts, the large downward moves are often driven by excessive leverage in the system. Irresponsible people going 10x long right before the ETF approval. For every buyer of a futures or perpetual swap contract, there must be a seller. However, the prices of those contracts change based on the market's balance between longs and shorts. If there are too many leveraged longs on Bitcoin without simultaneous buying pressure in the spot market, the current price may be temporarily unsustainable. As my friend Will Clemente explained, an over-leveraged market is similar to a Jenga tower built on a fragile base. If the funding rates in the futures contango are extremely high without significant buying pressure in the spot market, the Jenga tower may only need a slight push before it comes crashing down. These leverage liquidations result in an ugly negative feedback loop. 1. Price falls. 2. Highly leveraged longs get liquidated, therefore sellers. 3. Price falls further. 4. Less leveraged longs get liquidated, more for sellers. 5. Traders see falling prices and jump on the trend. 6. Price falls. 7. Repeat until this fragility of the leverage is eliminated. This imbalance, driven by excessive leverage, results in volatility. This volatility results in coins getting transferred from weak hands to strong hands that understand Bitcoin. After weak hands sell or are forced to sell, the price must adjust to the new equilibrium. A new base of strong holders is then built at a more sustainable price level, and then Bitcoin's parabolic bull run continues, as it has for more than a decade. This is all due to individuals converging on Bitcoin as a Schelling point because of its superior monetary properties.